Greetings, humans. I am here to explain 10 video editing terms you must understand before certification. Please remain calm. Most of them are less dangerous than they sound. B-roll. B-roll is extra footage that supports the main story. People use it so viewers do not have to stare at one talking face forever. For example, I am talking, but instead of staring at me, you're looking at a puppy. Shotgun mic. A shotgun microphone records focused sound from a distance. Despite the name, it does not launch anything. Disappointing, but useful. Foley. Foley is sound added after filming. Humans recreate footsteps, doors, crashes, and dramatic snack crunching because reality is apparently not loud enough. Pan. A pan is when the camera moves left or right from one side to another, not to be confused with the cooking pan, which humans also seem emotionally attached to. Tilt. A tilt is when the camera moves up or down. Humans use this to reveal tall buildings, dramatic skies, or someone's questionable outfit. Wide shot. A wide shot shows the subject and the environment around it. This helps viewers understand where the scene is happening. Rule of thirds. The rule of thirds divides the screen into a grid. Humans place important subjects along the lines to make the shot look less accidental. Codec. A codec compresses and decompresses video. It takes a huge video file and turns it into a smaller playable file such as H.264. Action safe. Action safe is the area where important movement should stay visible. Keep the important action inside this zone so screens do not cut it off. Title safe. Title safe is the safer inner area for text and graphics. If humans put words too close to the edge, the screen may betray them. You now know 10 important video terms. Your certification readiness has increased by approximately 12%. Congrats.